Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. At first, you have to open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Here, click on Clear Browsing Data, and now you have to go through basic and advanced features. So here you will find browsing history, cookie and site data, and also cache images and files. And then once you switch to advanced, you'll be able to see saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Smoothly mark those information that you wish to remove, then pick the time range. So as I want to perform a full cleanup, I will mark all time and then just click on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.